Why do two people with the same start end up in totally different places? Today we unlock a simple blueprint for lasting prosperity. No secrets, no luck. Just two pillars anyone can build. Two people can have the same education, the same income, the same dreams, but their daily decisions carve very different futures. This is a matter of design, a blueprint for the mind and for money. Hidden scripts in the mind shape choices every day. One mind sees scarcity, another sees opportunity. Think of it like building a house with or without a plan. One structure crumbles, the other stands through any storm. Your future is not fixed, it can be built, starting today. Today is the day to choose a new map. Master two pillars, the mind blueprint and the money blueprint, and you unlock prosperity. They work together. One without the other is incomplete. Now let's build each pillar step by step. Let's start with the most critical component, your mind blueprint. Think of it as the internal operating system running your financial life, a collection of your beliefs, habits, and emotional responses. Before we touch a single dollar, we must upgrade this software. Deep within this system, many of us have limiting beliefs that corrupt our potential. Whispers of money is evil, or I'm not good with numbers. These aren't harmless thoughts, they are active saboteurs that subconsciously push wealth away, ensuring you prove them right. Your mind is a loyal servant. It works to prove your beliefs right through confirmation bias. If you believe opportunities are scarce, you'll only see scarcity. Believe opportunities are abundant, and your brain will highlight them everywhere. The most powerful financial move is to choose an empowering belief. The process is tangible. Write down a limiting belief like, I'll never be wealthy. Physically cross it out. On the other side, write its powerful opposite. I am a magnet for wealth-building opportunities. Place this new affirmation where you'll see it daily and repeat it with conviction. Beyond beliefs, master your emotions. The financial markets are fueled by fear and greed, both enemies of rational decisions. Your goal is to become the calm investor who acts on strategy, not stress. This requires deliberate practice. This emotional fitness is built through daily rituals. Get crystal clear on your goals, how much by when, and most importantly, each morning practice deep breathing to calm your nervous system and reflect on that powerful why. This is your anchor. This calm extends to your spending. Before any big purchase, implement a mandatory 24-hour pause. This creates a buffer between impulse and action. During the pause, ask, is this an asset or a liability, a genuine need or a fleeting want? As you repeat your new affirmations, actively look for evidence that they are true. You are literally rewiring your brain's attentional system. This is the mind blueprint, empowering beliefs, emotional control, goal clarity, and thoughtful decisions. This internal work is the foundation. Once your mind is calibrated for success, the money blueprint becomes exponentially more powerful. Now let's build on that foundation. The foundational principle of wealth creation isn't about complex market analysis. It's a simple, profound mindset shift. The first rule, pay yourself first. This isn't about saving what's left after spending, it's about prioritizing your future self before anyone else gets a piece of your income. Make this process effortless by making it automatic. Start with a fixed percentage you're comfortable with, 10, 15, or even 20% of your income. If that feels daunting, begin with just 1%. The habit is more important than the amount. Schedule an automatic transfer from your checking to your investment account for the very day you get paid. This way, the money is working for you before you even have a chance to miss it. It's a non-negotiable appointment with your future prosperity. Next, you must understand the fundamental language of money, the difference between an asset and a liability. It's a simple definition with life-changing implications. An asset is anything that puts money in your pocket. A liability is anything that takes money. Your focus must shift from accumulating liabilities to acquiring assets. Think of assets as your employees, working 24/7 to generate income for you. These include stocks, bonds, income-generating real estate, and businesses that can operate without your constant presence. Liabilities, on the other hand, are the things that drain your resources. That new car with a hefty monthly payment, high-interest credit card debt, the latest gadgets that quickly lose their value, these are financial anchors. The goal isn't to live a life of total austerity, but to ensure your asset column is growing much faster than your liability column. This is the engine of your wealth machine. A single source of income is a single point of failure. To build true financial resilience, you must diversify your cash flow. Don't rely on one paycheck. Your mission is to build multiple independent income streams. Think of it like building a fortress. Your primary job is the first wall. but it's not enough. Use the income from your job to fund the creation of others. These can be active, like a side hustle or a small business, or passive, like dividends from stocks, interest from bonds, or royalties from creative work. Stack them one by one: your salary, your investment returns, your online store's profits, your ebook sales. Each new stream adds another layer of security, another pillar supporting your financial freedom. It accelerates your journey exponentially. Here lies the magic ingredient, the force multiplier that turns small, consistent actions into extraordinary wealth: compound interest. It's your financial superpower. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process of your earnings generating their own earnings. This requires two things: consistency and time. Forget chasing volatile trends and get-rich-quick schemes. True wealth is built by being boringly consistent. Focus on a diversified portfolio of proven assets: stocks, bonds, real estate, businesses. This isn't about timing the market, it's about time the market. Your automated transfers are the fuel for this compounding engine. They ensure the machine keeps running, systematically acquiring assets for you, even when life gets busy or your motivation wanes. This disciplined, automated approach is your shield against emotional decision-making and market noise. So let's recap the blueprint. 1. Pay yourself first, automatically. 2. Focus relentlessly on acquiring income-generating assets, not liabilities. 3. Build multiple, diverse streams of income. These aren't just financial tactics. They are habits that, when combined with the right mindset, create an unstoppable force. This is where the money blueprint and the mind blueprint become two sides of the same coin. The small, disciplined choices you make every single day compound into incredible momentum. Soon, you'll see the results. Passive deposits appearing in your account. Dividends, rent, royalties, money you earned while you slept. This is the ultimate goal. Options. The freedom to choose your work, your schedule, your location, the freedom of time. This is how you engineer a life of quality and purpose. Make your system simple, make it automatic, and be absolutely relentless in its execution. Same start, different finish. One person stressed, one person calm with growing assets. Savings, assets, and emotional control turn months into decades of progress. Every decision is a brick. Stack wisely. You are the architect. The map is here. Now take 3 simple steps, right now. Let's begin with the foundation, your mindset. Step 1 is to consciously change one core limiting belief about money. Is it "I'm not good with money"? Identify it. Now write its powerful opposite: "I am a master of my financial destiny." This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a command to your subconscious. Place this new truth where you can't escape it. Every time you see it, you're rewiring your brain, building a new neural pathway to prosperity. Next, build a system that works for you. Step 2, automate your savings. This removes emotion and decision fatigue, embodying the principle of paying yourself first. Before you pay bills, you invest in your future. Log into your bank. It takes minutes to set up a recurring transfer to a separate high-yield savings or investment account. Schedule it for every payday. Start with an amount that feels easy, even $50. Consistency is what builds the foundation for financial freedom. Finally, accelerate your journey. Step 3, start one new income stream. Wealth isn't just about saving, it's about expanding your capacity to earn. Don't get overwhelmed. Pick one path that aligns with your skills and take the very first step to break inertia. If you want a side business, buy the domain name today. If you dream of being a creator, outline your first video. If you want your money to work for you, open a brokerage account. The goal isn't perfection, it's initiation. That single action proves you are serious. So there you have it. Replace one belief. Automate your savings. Launch one income stream. These aren't separate tasks. They are interconnected pillars. Your belief fuels your discipline builds your capital, and your capital funds your growth. Each small step creates undeniable momentum, like the first domino in a successful chain. You have the blueprint. The time for observation is over. It's time to build. Start now. Prosperity is a blueprint, not luck. What step will you take today? Subscribe to this channel and share this video to anyone who want to build a solid foundation of financial freedom. This video is for educational, informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice, investment advice, legal advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Your financial situation is unique. The strategies discussed may not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.